Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel Code Sakit. With this video guys, I will be starting a new series in Java and it will be about the stream APIs in Java, okay, which is a feature of Java 8. Before starting this video, I would like to request all of you to please like and share our videos with your friends and family. And also, thank you for your support. If you really like the content that we bring to you, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel because that really helps you to get the notifications of the latest uploads and updates that we bring in our channel also. And thank you for your support, guys. Keep supporting us and thanks a lot. So, without any more ado, let's get started and talk about the Stream API in Java, which is a feature of Java 8. Okay, so let me directly go to the IDE here. So you can see I have a project called Java Programs here. So inside this demo package, let us create one more package called the Stream API. Okay, and inside this, let me create a new text file where I will be giving you some tips and tricks on that. Okay, so I will just say tips and tricks. Fine. Let it be a text file. So let me open this and let us discuss about the Stream API in Java. Okay, and as I said earlier, it is a feature of Java version 8. Okay, so as I said, let's talk about the Stream API. What is it actually? So the Stream API in Java is a powerful tool introduced in Java 8 for processing collections of data in a very functional and declarative manner. Okay, so it actually allows us to perform various operations on a stream of data, okay? Such as you can say certain properties, I can say like this, filtering, then you have reducing, then you have mapping, then again you have collecting, okay? These are some few examples of the features or properties of the Stream API in Java, okay? And before even doing all this, you should know how to actually create a stream, okay? So this will be the first part of the series where I will actually show you how to create a stream in Java, okay? So as I gave you a detailed idea, CETA's Stream API is a powerful tool. Let us see the benefits of using that tool, okay? Let us create a file here and I will just say creating a stream. Okay. So I'm just keeping the class name based on the topic that we are going to cover. Okay. And in the main function, let us try to do this. Okay. So in order to create a stream, we can take the list data structure. Okay. And let us take the integers. I'm just taking a list of integers and I will name it as numbers is equal to. Okay, and we have a very good feature in Java. I will just call the arrays, and inside that we have a function called as list. Okay, and here I can just pass the numbers that I want in my list. I will just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. With this, I have created a list of integers like this, and the name of the list is numbers. Okay, now if you want to create a stream of integers from this numbers list, we can simply write like this. We can call the stream. You can see here, right? We have called the stream, and inside this, we have to declare the data type. So they are integers. So I will write integers here, and then I will just name it as a stream. Okay, and I will just say equal to. So we have a built-in function in the streams. So I will just call my list and say dot string. Okay. So this is how you actually create a stream. Fine. Now, if you want to print each element of the stream, you can use the stream variable or the object and you can say dot. We have the for each function here, which I can use. See, and then I will just say system dot out. And because this is a stream, we have a very good feature here. I will just say double colon and I will say println. Okay. So guys, this is a really important and good feature of streams in Java. Okay, you can see I have written system.out and after this double colon I have written println. Now let's see if we are successfully able to print the list of numbers or not. Right click and I will run this. Yes, you can see here I have successfully printed the stream of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and one more thing, there is one more way of creating the stream which I am going to show you now. You can just do like this. It is also very easy. So let me just write alternate method, and here I will just create a array of numbers is equal to, I will take the same numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then now you can simply call the in stream. You can see here java.util.stream. In that we have the in stream interface. We can call this and we can just say stream1 is equal to, I will just call the arrays class and then I will say dot stream. Here I will pass the array like this. Okay, fine. Now if you want to print the stream1, you can just say stream1 dot. Now let's run this and check if we are getting the same result or not. Okay, you can see guys, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Okay, so I have told you the two methods of doing this. You can see first we took a list of integers where we stored the list of numbers like this. We use the as list function in the arrays class. Okay, after that the second way was by using the in stream. Okay, so in the first one what we did, we took the stream of integers like this and here we said numbers dot, we call the stream function. Okay, and in the alternative method or the second method, we took an array of integers as simple as that, and after that we use the in stream, and inside that we created the stream variable and then we same use the arrays.stream function, but inside that we pass this integer array here. Okay, fine. So these are the two ways of creating streams. Fine. So I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ping your doubts in the comment section. I will be very happy to clarify them. And at the same time, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel because that really motivates me to create more content for you. And thank you for watching till the end. I hope you will be coming for the next video as well. So till the next time, thank you and happy learning. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel Coders Arcade. In the last tutorial of Java streams, we saw how we can create a stream, right? In this tutorial, we'll be learning about one very good feature of Java streams or the stream API, that is filtering. Okay, so before starting this video, I would like to request all of you to please like and share our videos with your friends and family, and please help those who really are weak in coding and those who really want to learn coding from scratch. Okay, and thank you for your support, and if you really like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon because that will really help you to receive notifications regarding our latest updates. Okay, so without any more ado, let's get started. As I said in the earlier one, we learned about creating a stream. Now in this tutorial we'll be learning about filtering a stream. Okay, so let's go to our IDE, and you can see here this is the earlier program in the earlier tutorial where I showed you how to create a stream of integers, okay, by using the list and then we use the stream function. So numbers.stream. Okay, and guys, if you have not watched this video, please go there and have a look at that, and that will really help you to understand and follow along with this video. Okay, fine. So as I said, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to use the filter function of a stream. Okay, so for that I will just create a new Java class, say filter example. Okay, here let me take the main function first, and as I said earlier, we created a stream by using the list, right? And the data type here was integer. Let me take numbers is equal to, I will take the arrays class dot as list. Here I will pass the variables or the values that I need, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can have more values, but I'm taking only 5 so that I can be very clear and very simple. You can understand this. Okay, so after this, if you want to create a filter of the data, we can very easily use the filter function in the streams. So first what we do, we will just call the numbers list and then we will call the stream function. Okay. And after that, suppose as I said, I want to filter, let me take some more values. Okay. 5, say 6, 7, 8, 9, say 100 also I'm taking. Okay. Any kind of numbers. Now I want to filter out the even numbers out of this. Okay. So what I will say, dot filter, in this filter function, it will first take the predicate. Okay. The predicate will be simply the variable, what you want to do actually. So I will just say n, and after that you can give an arrow. And guys, whenever you see this arrow, this is actually called a lambda expression in Java. Okay. It is also like a one liner. It really helps you to write very simplified code. Okay. And this is a feature of Java 8. Fine. So I want to filter all the n's or the n values, and here I will give the condition. Okay, I will just say n modulus of 2. We know that when a number is divided by 2, the remainder is 0 if it is an even number, correct? I will say equal 0. That's it. That is the condition. Okay, then after that we need to print them, correct? So I will just say dot for each, and let me put this down here so that we can understand this better. Okay, so here I will just say s out. Okay, so we are trying to print all the even numbers in this list using the filter function of the Java streams, correct? Now let's run this and check if we are able to do it or not. Okay, yes guys, you can see here 2, 4, 6, 8, 100. Fine, you can take as many values. I can say 200 as well. Now it will print 200 also. Let me run this now. Let me show you. See guys, it's printing that. Okay, this is working absolutely fine. So this is about it guys. This is a very good feature. You can filter out some data from a stream of data giving the predicate and the condition that we have here. Okay, so this is a really good feature of the stream API. I hope you have liked it. And if you have any doubts in this, you can please post your comments at the comment section. I will be very happy to clarify them. And if you really like the video, please don't forget to like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, because that will really help you to get notified about the latest updates. So till the next video, this is Saurav signing off. Thank you and happy learning. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Coders Arcade. In this video, we'll be talking about one more important feature of the stream APIs in Java, which is the function called mapping. Okay. In the previous video, we learned about filtering in the stream API in Java. Okay. So before starting this video, I would like to request all of you to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, because that will really help us to serve you better, and that will really motivate us to bring more better content to you. Okay, and really thanks for all your support, and I hope you will be supporting us more in future. Thanks a lot. So as I said, today's topic is the mapping function or the map function in the stream APIs in Java. Okay, so without any more ado, let's get started, and let me go to the editor and show you how to do that. Okay, so here I'm going to my editor, and you can see this was the last code, the filter example, where we filtered out even numbers from this list by using the filter function in the stream API. You can see here streams.filter, and we set n mode of 2 equal 0. If you want odd numbers, you can simply say not equal to 0. If you run this now, just see the output. Okay, 13579. Okay, so this was about the filter function. Okay, and guys, if you have not watched this video, please go ahead and look at that video and then come back here, because that will really help you to understand better. Okay, so today, as I said, I will be talking about the map function. Okay, so let's just do one thing. Let's create another Java class called mapping example. So what does the map example actually do? Okay, we'll be talking about the map function, and to be precise, the map function actually maps a value to a certain corresponding value. Suppose, say, if I am trying to find the double of a number, triple of a number, simply. So that map function will actually map that value to the double of that number or to the triple of that number, something like that. Okay, so let's first create a list of integers. And please remember, the stream APIs only work with wrapper classes, so you have to use wrapper classes only. Is equal to, I will take the arrays class dot as list, and here I will pass my list, say 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you can take other numbers also, say 10 20 30 40 50, no problem at all. Okay, so we have a target in our mind. Our target is we want to map each element in this array or the list to its double. Okay, so 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, similarly 10 becomes 20, 20 becomes 40, and so on. Okay, so this is our target. Now for that we can simply use our numbers list and dot stream function. Here in the stream function we have the map function in our stream API, which can actually relate or map a number to a certain parameter, okay, to the predicate. So first we take the predicate here, and you can take xyz whatever you want, and you have to give this arrow, which is a syntax for the lambda expressions in Java, and here you have to give the mapping scenario or what you actually want here. So I will just say n into 2 because I want to map it to the double of that number. And dot, we need the for each function from the consumer interface, and then here we have to just display them, right? I will just say SOUT, and it will actually print them. So that's our target. Okay, so let's see if we are able to successfully do it or not. So our output should be 1, should be 2. So 2 4 6 8 10, then 20 40 60 80 100. Let's see. Yes guys, you can see here, right? We are able to map a number to its double. It's working absolutely fine. Now if I say 3, it should be triple or thrice the number. Let's see if this is working or not. Yes, it's working absolutely fine. 3 6 9 12 15 30 60 90 120 150. So that's all guys. That is how you use the map function. It is really handy when you are solving long examples or long problems. It's really handy. Okay, so this is how you use the map function. If you have any doubts regarding this, please post your doubts in the comment section. I'll be really happy to solve them. And at the same time, if you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, because that really motivates us to create more content for you. Okay, and thanks a lot for watching till the end guys. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you and happy learning. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel Coders Arcade. In today's video, we'll be talking about one more very important feature of the Stream APIs in Java, which is the reduce function. Okay, so in the earlier one, we saw the map function, which was used to map a stream of data into their mapping values, say the double, the triple of those values. Okay, so before starting this video, I would like to request all of you to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you can get updates of the latest videos that we upload in your channel. And at the same time, if you really like our videos, please share them with your friends and family so that those who are weak in coding, they can get benefited by our videos. Okay, and thank you for supporting guys. It really means a lot, and hope you will be supporting us like this in future as well. Okay, so as I said, today's topic will be the reduce function in the stream APIs. I will be showing you in detail how to use the reduce function. Okay, so without any more ado, let's get started. Okay, this was our earlier program where we had seen how to map these values to the double of those numbers or to the three times or triple of those numbers, and how to print them. Okay, now in this one I will show you how to use the reduce function. Okay, so just let's create a new Java class called reduce example, and it should be Pascal case, capital letters. Okay, so as I said, we will be using the reduce function. Okay, so first let us create a list of integers. Let me import this java.util and let us say numbers is equal to, guys, if you have not watched the previous videos, please make sure you go and watch them, because otherwise it'll be difficult for you to understand from here directly. Okay, I will give the link in the description and also in the I button so that it helps you a lot. Okay, please go watch them and come back here. Okay, so here to create a list I will use my arrays class dot, I have the as list function. Here I will pass my numbers, say 1 2 3 4 5. Got it? Okay, now the reduce function actually takes two arguments. Okay, so first of all, suppose we are trying to calculate the sum of these five numbers. Okay, so in that case I will just say int sum is equal to, first we have to convert this into a stream by using the stream function, and then I will just say dot reduce. Okay, as I said, it takes two parameters or two arguments. Okay, the arguments are, let me just write it down here. The first one is called the identity and the second one is called the accumulator. Okay, the identity is the default value that will be stored there, and then the accumulator will actually accumulate the total of whatever you were trying to do. Okay, it can be the sum, it can be the product, and so and so. Okay, so in that case, the sum of this 5, I will consider the identity as 0. Okay, and then I will say, you can see here identity, it becomes automatically, and here I will take two variables a comma b, and then I will just give a lambda expression like this, and I will just say a plus b. Okay, and you can give a space here, something like this, so that it looks better. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to calculate the sum of this 5 values or the stream of this 5 integers by taking the reduce function, and initially this identity argument is storing the sum as 0. Then gradually it is iterating over the stream and calculating the sum and storing it here in the sum variable. Okay, now simply if I try to print my sum, I can just say sum plus sum. Okay, now let's see if we are able to do it or not. Let me run this. Yes, guys, you can see here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is actually 15, and we're getting the output. Okay, now say we want to calculate the product of the 5 numbers. It can be anything, any kind of numbers. You can just take this as an example and you can go ahead. Okay, so we are trying to calculate the product. Now I will just say int product is equal to, same, I will just say numbers dot stream, and then I will say dot reduce. Okay, now again we have to pass the identity and the accumulator, correct? So in that case, let us pass 0 as the initial value of the identity, and let us take similarly a comma b, and let us give the lambda expression and give a into b. Okay, fine. Now after that, let us try to print out our product variable. Let's see what we get. And can you guys guess the output? It should be 5 4s are 20, 60, 2s are 120, right? You are also guessing the same thing. The output should be 120, correct? The multiplication of all the values. Let's see if it is correct or not. Even I want to check you. Let's see what we get for the product. Okay, guys, you can see here, right? We're getting 0 because the initial value or the identity we have taken as 0. So ultimately, 0 will be multiplied with all the numbers. So this will not give you the correct answer. Okay, so for it to be correct, obviously we have to store the identity as 1, right? Then only we'll get the correct answer. Please remember that when you are doing the operation, just try to understand the logic in your mind and then go ahead with the solution. Okay, so here now you can see we have got the proper output 120. Okay, So that's it. This is how you can calculate the product of any number of streams of integers. Okay, that's it. Now here, instead of writing this a plus b in the add function or in the reduce for finding the addition or the sum of this stream of integers, what you can do is you can simply take our integer wrapper class, and here you can just say sum. Okay, and you can simply remove this thing. This is not required at all. Okay, that's all. Now because this integer wrapper class has this function called sum. Okay, so let's just run this now and see if we are getting the same output or not. Yes guys, you can see we are absolutely getting the same output. So instead of writing the two variables and then assigning the sum like this, you can also write this, the integer wrapper class, and then you can easily use the sum from that. Okay, see here, this is the actual sum function, public static int sum int a int b, and it returns the value of a and b. Okay, so this is inside the integer wrapper class, we are using that. Okay, so that's about it. I hope you've understood this. Rather than writing the other way around, we are simply using the sum function in the integer class. Okay, and this is a syntax of the streams, so we have to use it like this. Okay, got it. So this is how you can calculate the sum of a stream by reducing the multiple values into a single value. Also you can find the product by reducing the multiple values into a single value. Okay, got it. And for sum it can be 0, and for the product it should be 1, because we have to continuously multiply the numbers, right? If it is multiplied with 0, then obviously the total product will be 0 only. Okay, I hope you've understood this. Guys, if you have any problem, any doubts, please post them in the comment section. I'll be very happy to clarify them. And at the same time, if you really like our videos, guys, please go ahead and like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, because that really motivates me to create more better content for you. Okay, that is what we expect from you. And thanks a lot for watching till the end. I really appreciate that. And till the next video, till the next time, this is Saurav signing off. Bye bye and happy learning. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel Chorus Arcade. In today's video, we'll be finishing up with the Java Stream API concepts, and today we'll be learning about collecting a stream. Okay, so in the earlier one, we have learned about reducing. So before talking about this video, let me request you to please like and share our videos with your friends and family. And at the same time, if you guys really like our content, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel, because that really motivates us to create more content for you. Okay, thanks a lot for your support. So let's get started. Let me go to my IDE now and let's start. Okay, here you can see this was our earlier program, the reduce example, where I showed you how you can actually reduce a list of data into a particular value. Okay, here you can see we reduce this list of integers into a single digit sum by using the Java Stream API. Also, we show how to reduce it to a product by using the Stream API. If I run this, you can see the output. See, the sum was 15 and the product was 120. Guys, if you have not watched this video, let me give the link in the description. Go ahead, watch that and come back here well prepared. Okay, so that you can easily go along with this video. Fine. So today, as I said, we will talk about the collect example. Okay, what is actually the collect example? Okay, the collect method in the Stream API in Java is actually used to convert a kind of data into a stream, and then from that stream we retrieve the required data into a particular collection. It can be anything, it can be a list, it can be a map, it can be anything. Okay, so the data, as I said, it can be a list. This will be converted to a stream, and then when we use the collect method on this stream, what happens, it is actually converted into a list, because in this case we have taken list. It can be any data type. Okay, so that is actually the use of the collect function. It really helps you to collect the data from a stream and store it into a particular data structure. Okay, let me show you the syntax so that you can remember, and it is very important for interviews. Okay, so here we go like this. We have R, I will tell you what is R, don't worry. We have the collect function, and then inside that we have the collector. Okay, and then we have the angular bracket with the wildcard, and then we have the super. We have T comma A comma R. The bracket closed, and then we have the collector. Okay, this is the syntax. Now you might be wondering what is R here. Okay, let's start with T. T is actually the type of the stream elements. Okay, then what's A? A is actually the accumulator to accumulate the data. Okay, or the stream. Then finally R is the type of the result. Okay, or you can say final result to be precise. Fine. So this is the work of the collect method in the stream API. We have talked about the theory. Let's go to our project explorer and try to write a code on that. Okay, so simply I will take a new Java class called collect example. Okay, here we'll just see a simple example. Main function, and I will take a list of integers, say numbers, is equal to, I will call my arrays class. Here I will use the as list function, and here I will take say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Got it? I've taken 10 numbers in a list of integers. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to collect them into a list again, but from a stream. Okay, so what I do, I will just say list of integers only, because this should be the final result data type. Okay, so I will take even numbers. Suppose I want to store only the even numbers, is equal to, first I will use numbers dot stream. You know this function, right? Then remember, in order to collect them, first we have to filter them. Okay, so dot filter. Here I will take n as a variable. I will give arrow. You know this is a lambda expression, correct? Then I will give the condition. So it will be n modulus of 2 equal 0, because I need the even numbers. Fine. Here I will say dot collect, and in the collectors you can see we have a function called toList. This is it. We're done with this. Now I can simply say s out and print the even numbers, and let's see if this is even working or not. Fine. I'll say plus even numbers. Let's run this and check. Yes guys, you can see it's working fine. 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, so please remember, even before we collect we have to filter them out, because then only we'll be able to collect will only just collect the data. We have to filter them, then we will get our required and desired numbers. Okay, please remember that. Now let's do one thing. We have already seen this example. Let's try out one more example so that you can be even more clear about this concept of the collect function. Okay, so I will take one more example. Say suppose I want to concatenate some strings into one. Okay, I'm taking a class called concatenation. Fine. Here in the main function, what I will do, we'll take a stream of string. Okay, and I will say string is equal to, let me just remove this spaces. I will just say, I will call the stream again, and here we have the off method where I can store my strings. I will say coders, comma, I'll give a space. I'll say again, comma, arcade, comma, give one more space. You can say YouTube, and give one comma, and here I can say channel. Okay, so we have a stream of strings. You can see coders, then arcade, then YouTube, then channel. Fine. Let me give some exclamation marks to make it even more catchy. Fine. Now what I do, we'll create one more new string from this called concatenated string is equal to, we will use our string stream dot collect. You can see here we have the dot collect function. I'll simply say give the semicolon. Okay. And let's try to do something here. Okay, so guys, you might have heard about the string buffer and the string builder classes. Okay, what I do is, first I will take the string buffer, you can see here, or builder, anyone you can take. I'm taking the string builder, and let's create an object. But in the stream API, the object creation is a little bit catchy and a little bit different. Okay, so don't get confused with the syntax. Okay, it is like this, and you can see I'm getting access to the functions, all the functions of the string builder class. Okay, so I need to first create an object. So it is like this, new, and then I give a comma, and then see, I need the adding or concatenation of all of the strings. So it is again string builder colon append. Okay, let me give a space like this here, and after that, guys, remember one thing, the first one here is for the object, the second one is only for the accumulator as I have told you earlier, and the third one here will be actually for the operation that we will do. Okay, I will again have to say string builder colon colon append. Okay, till now our task is done, but we have to convert that into a string because it is still a stream only. So I'll just say dot to string. You can see the error is gone. Correct. So we have actually concatenated a stream of strings into a concatenated string variable by using the collect method in the stream API. Okay, let's try to see even if it is running or not. I will just say s out and print my concatenated string. So it should be printing coder space arcade space YouTube space channel. Let's run this and check. Yeah, you can see it's working fine, but I didn't give a space here, right? So let's give a space again and give a comma here. Now let's run this. Yeah, see guys, we have got the output properly. So guys, in the middle of the video only, I'm telling you, if you really like the content that we're bringing, please subscribe to our channel, guys. It is really helpful in motivating us to create more better content to you. Okay, we strive to create good content for you, so please, it's a humble request, subscribe to our channel and share it with as many people as you can. Okay, so this is it about the stream API collect function, guys. I hope you have understood this. Any doubts, any queries, post them in the comment section. The comment section is yours, it belongs to you. Write whatever doubts you have, write it out, we'll help you out, don't worry about that. Okay, thanks for watching till the end. Till the next video, this is Saurabh signing off. Bye bye and thank you.